What is going on, guys? I'm Rob with MG Trading, back with another video, and in this video we'll be discussing the advantages of swing trading. Also, it does take a little bit of time to make these videos, so all I ask for you is just smash that like button for me. Anyways, I won't waste any more of your time. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Swing trading is essentially a type of trading strategy where traders may elect to hold their assets or shares of stocks from one day to several weeks in an effort to gain profits from price changes or swings. Compare this with a day trader who buys and sells his shares within one day such that he does all his trading before the market closes that day. Now let's dive into what I believe is the 4 advantages of swing trading. Number 1, it can generate monthly income. As opposed to long-term investors, your money isn't sitting around for weeks, months, and years. And if you decide to take some money out of your account, you can. This way, you'll know exactly how much you made every month. Number 2, schedule flexibility. So if you work during the day, well then guess what? You work during market hours, such that you can't sit around in front of a computer all day and monitor your trades. You can't constantly monitor your charts and patterns. Swing trading allows you to keep your full-time job at the same time being an active trader and enjoying profits from the market. Number 3, you have the luxury of time. You have more time to analyze different parts of the market and make decisions in a relaxed manner without the pressure of day trading. So, after you're off from your full-time job, you can sit down and analyze various charts and look at the ones that you wish to take a position on. In addition, being in and out of the market means you can analyze various financial charts and choose the ones that have good trade setups. And number 4, risk management. You will have clear and defined price where you set your limit to sell your security, called your stop loss. This stop loss price can be set based on your own risk. You are usually just making 3 to 5 trades per week. As a result, you don't have this broad range of investments that you have to keep monitoring. Therefore, you can keep up with your trades with less time than, say, other traders. Now, the last part regarding risk management. The typical swing trader trades on a technical analysis driven process. Therefore, you will know on the chart where it is your location is to buy, what your target price is, and where your stop loss will be. This will generate your risk and reward. So, a quick example. You might enter in on a position where you believe the price will increase by $10, and you believe your stop loss should be about $2 less. So, your target price is $10, and your stop loss is $2. So your reward is 10, your risk is 2. So there you have it. Those are the advantages, in my personal opinion, of swing trading. However, I would be doing you a disservice if I didn't also discuss the disadvantage of swing trading. So with that, here are just a few disadvantages of swing trading. Okay, so the biggest thing I'll point out is no matter how good you are with your technical analysis, the probability of a trend reversal happening every single time is impossible, and that's just the nature of the business. So you will have to expect some losses. And remember, guys, even the best trader in the world takes losses. The key is to take a lot more wins than losses. And another disadvantage that I would say would be, while yes, the typical swing trader is a little bit more technical analysis driven, it does require a little bit more work to be versed in that knowledge, to be versed in learning chart patterns, to be versed in identifying candlesticks. And this is where this channel comes in. I will have a video on the various bullish and money-making candlesticks that I use coming up. And if this video is already made by the time you watch this video, go ahead and check down below, and I should have a link here. And a quick aside, guys, if you look down below, I do have a referral link for your free stock on the Robinhood app. If you click that referral link, it'll take you to the Robinhood platform where you will receive your free stock. No money, no deposit. You just sign up with the Robinhood app. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Some advantages and disadvantages to swing trading. And if you found value in this video, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. This way, more people like you who are trying to learn the basics to swing trading can get exposure to these kind of videos. And if you like this kind of video, I will be having a video around my favorite bullish candlesticks and patterns. So please go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you would like to be notified when I do post that video.